This question I have seen that everybody does with the help of Cramer's rule. As I have told in my video lecture of theory of determinants and matrices, I always prefer to use the concept of augmented matrix to do the questions of linear simultaneous equations, because the first thing is sometimes Cramer's rules gives wrong result also. Yes, sometimes Cramer's rule gives wrong result also. Those cases I have already discussed in my video class of determinant. Agreed, those cases are very easy to see where the Cramer's rule will give wrong result, but why to take risk when the concept of augmented matrix always gives correct result also, solution is short also, and the concept of augmented matrix takes care of all possible types of linear simultaneous equations where Cramer's rule cannot take care of all types of linear simultaneous equations. Hence, I always prefer to use the concept of augmented matrix. Note that I am saying the word I prefer to use the concept of augmented matrix. And here also I will do the question with the help of concept of augmented matrix. And if some student is not clear about the concept of augmented matrix, then I will say see my video lecture of theory of matrices made for JEE preparing students. In this question, it is told to us that let PQR be non-zero real numbers that are respectively 10th, 100th and 1000th term of a harmonic progression. Consider the system of linear equations, these three, and you have to match the column. First, note that the third equation is QRX plus PRY plus PQZ equal to 0, and PQR are terms of a harmonic progression, and as it is easier to deal with arithmetic progression, and we know that 1 upon P, 1 upon Q, 1 upon R will be the 10th, 100th and 1000th term of arithmetic progression. Hence, I write this as 1 upon P x plus 1 upon Q y plus 1 upon R z equal to 0. That is, it becomes a plus 9d into x plus a plus 99d into y plus a plus 999d into z equal to 0. And first two equations were x plus y plus z equal to 1 and 10x plus 100y plus 1000z equal to 0, which obviously can be written as x plus 10y plus 100z equal to 0. That is, I will take care of these three equations. And if you have seen my video lecture of theory of matrices, you must be knowing that I can easily say that augmented matrix is equal to 1 1 1 1 1 10 100 0 a plus 90 a plus 99d a plus 999d and 0. And as I have told in that theory lecture, I will make these three terms as 0 with the help of elementary row transformations only. And then I will proceed further using the concept of rank of matrix. And as I have already told in that lecture, that it is always better to first make this element as 0, second this element as 0, and thirdly make this element as 0. If you make zeros arbitrarily, then difficulty may arise. Hence, to avoid any difficulty, preferably always make first this element as 0, second this element as 0, third make this element as 0. This will be always better. Reason I have already told. And to make this element as 0, use the elementary row transformation as R3 changes to R3 minus A plus 9D into R1. You'll get 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 10, 100, 0, 0, 90D, 990D, and minus of A plus 9D and D here also. And now make this element as 0. That is, use the elementary row transformation as R2 changes to R2 minus R1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 9, 99, and minus 1, 0, 90D, 990D, minus of A plus 90. And lastly, make this element as 0. For this, use the elementary row transformation as R3 changes to R3 minus 10D R2. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 9, 99, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, minus A, minus 9D, plus 10D. Hence, I will get 1, 1, 1, 1. Note that between these two matrices, wiggle will come. Not equal to will not come, because these two matrices are not equal, but they are equivalent. That is why wiggle will come. That is, you can say wave also. 0, 9, 99, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, and minus A plus D. Obviously, if this is non-zero, then if you know the concept of rank, you can easily say that the rank of this part will be 2, but the rank of this part will be 3 if it is non-zero. And in that case, no solution will be there. And in case it is 0, in that case, rank of this part will be also 2, rank of this whole will be also 2, and in that case, number of solutions will be infinite, because number of variables here are 3, x, y, z, and because the number of variables are 3, rank is 2, in that case, the number of solutions will become infinite. Hence, now let us take the given options. First, q upon r equal to 10. Q upon R equal to 10 means 1 upon R upon 1 by Q equal to 10. That is A plus 999D upon A plus 99D equal to 100. That is, I can say 9A equal to 9D. That is, I can say A equal to D. And as I have already told, because A is equal to D, hence the rank of this is already 2. The rank of this also will become 2. Hence, number of solutions will become infinite because the number of variables are 3, x, y, z. Hence, to solve further, out of these two, I can reject any equations and proceed with the help of remaining two equations. Note that either you can reject this or you can reject this, but this cannot be rejected. And it is preferable to reject this. I will proceed further with the help of these two equations. And I will get x plus y plus z equal to 1 and 10x plus 100y plus 1000z equal to 0, which can also be written as x plus 10y plus 100z equal to 0. And using these two equations and taking z equal to any real number, say z equal to lambda, you can find the value of x and y both in terms of lambda. And by changing the value of lambda, the value of x and y will also change. And for every value of lambda, the solutions you will be getting will be satisfying all the three equations. Therefore, now write x plus y equal to 1 minus lambda and x plus 10y equal to minus 100 lambda. And subtracting these two, I get 9y equal to minus 99 lambda minus 1, that is y equal to minus 11 lambda minus 1 by 9. And putting the value of y here, I get the value of x as 1 minus lambda plus 11 lambda plus 1 by 9, that is x is equal to 10 lambda plus 10 by 9. That is, I have got x equal to 10 lambda plus 10 by 9, y equal to minus 11 lambda minus 1 by 9, and z equal to lambda. And it is easy to see that if you take lambda equal to 0, then y will be minus 1 by 9, x will be 10 by 9. Hence, Q becomes the correct choice for the case when Q upon R equal to 10, because in this case, I had concluded that A is equal to D. And if P upon Q equal to 10, here also you can conclude that A equal to D. Therefore, results in the case of first and fourth will be same. Therefore, first is saying that this is the solution, fourth will also say this is the solution, and first is saying infinite number of solution, fourth is also saying infinite number of solution. Therefore, at least one solution is also correct. And lastly, this, if you take lambda equal to minus 1 by 9, then y will become automatically 10 by 9 and x will become 0. Hence, P also becomes the correct choice. Therefore, first matches with P, Q, R and T. Fourth also matches with P, Q, R and T. And now let us discuss the case of P upon R not equal to 100 and P upon Q not equal to 10. If P upon R is not equal to 100, it means 1 upon R upon 1 by P is not equal to 100. That is, A is not equal to D. And note that the case P upon Q not equal to 10 will also give the result A not equal to D, because P upon Q not equal to 10 means 1 upon Q upon 1 by P is not equal to 10. That is, A plus 90 upon A plus 90 is not equal to 10. That is, 9A is not equal to 90. That is, A not equal to D. That is, this also gives the result A not equal to D. This also gives the result A not equal to D. And when I had reached here, I clearly told that when A is not equal to D, this will be non-zero. Hence, the rank of this whole will become 3, but the rank of this is 2. That is, the ranks are not equal. Hence, you can say no solution will be there. Hence, second and third both will give the result no solution. And let us see the choices. See the first choice. First matches with T is correct. Second matches with R is not correct, because second matches with only S. Therefore, this becomes wrong. First matches with Q, correct. Second matches with S, correct. Third matches with S is correct. Fourth matches with R, this is also correct. Therefore, this is correct. And because in the question it is given that only one option is correct, therefore once we have got the correct choice, it is not required to check C and D. Still, for clarity purpose, I will say let us check C also. First matches with Q is correct. Second matches with R, this is not correct. Therefore, C becomes the wrong choice. First matches with T is correct. Second matches with S, this is also correct. Third matches with P, this is wrong, because third matches with S only. Therefore, these two are wrong choices. But once we had got the correct choice, it was not required to check C and D.